Executives and leaders have a lot of responsibilities at organizations like yours, and we've worked with dozens of teams just like yours to help them use Office 365 applications more efficiently and effectively by using the Office ecosystem and Priority Matrix together. In the next few minutes, I'll show you how leaders and their teams use Priority Matrix to have visibility into key projects and keep priorities aligned across the business. Priority Matrix gives your team a central place to collaborate on projects and action items, making it easy to delegate tasks and share status updates that the entire team can see. The basic Priority Matrix view is a perfect place for your team to work together to hit your deadlines. However, from an executive level, the big picture is really what matters the most, so you can clearly communicate with leaders from other teams. Each Priority Matrix project has a Gantt chart automatically generated from the planning done at the task level in your projects. The Gantt chart is a perfect place to see the duration of the items in your projects and if they're going to be completed on time. Looking at this in Microsoft Teams, you can decide exactly how you would like to view your Gantt chart, whether it's with the quadrant titles or plain grouping like I have here. You can also view it on a daily, weekly, or monthly basis. Align key projects with other leaders, make sure high priority items are on track, and plan future projects all within the Gantt chart. Another place where executives can have a high-level overview of their project is in the Priority Matrix newsfeed, available at a project level or a global project level. This is a perfect way to browse all recent changes from your team. Again, looking at this live in the Microsoft Teams application, this is a perfect way to browse all of the changes your team has shared with you. Oftentimes, an executive will have their team use just one project to reflect all of their key project status updates as shown in this dashboard view project. While you might not be a heavy Priority Matrix user as an executive, this can be the perfect place for your team to share 1 to 2 sentences reviewing the status of each project, so this information is available at your convenience. For more context, click on the item, and your details will show up on the right-hand side. Regardless of your primary role at the company, everybody spends time in one-on-one meetings with teammates and direct reports. Priority Matrix and Microsoft Teams users have testified to having more efficient one-on-one meetings with the Priority Matrix one-on-one view. You can add the Priority Matrix one-on-one view to every single chat you have within Microsoft Teams, making it accessible wherever you are. When you use the Priority Matrix one-on-one, you have an automatically generated top priority list shared between yourself and this one other person that you've chosen. You will also have visibility into relevant Office 365 data, including emails, calendar events, and files, so you can be sure you won't miss any talking points. When you work closely with leaders from other departments, it's critical to be able to see your shared priorities and make sure they're discussed during your meetings. Microsoft Teams can be modified to support your team as best as possible. So keep in mind you can add Priority Matrix project tabs to team channels and one-on-one chats. If you're interested in learning how you can have your Priority Matrix notifications posted to your Teams channel as a Priority Matrix card, let us know and we can set up these customized connectors for your team. Priority Matrix is a flexible tool which has a ton of capabilities. But what matters most is that we understand your team's goals and visions with Priority Matrix, so we can tailor this tool and our training sessions to highlight your unique use case. Thanks for listening and reach out today.